everybody. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to pre-market update. We'll start with Bitcoin today. You can see Bitcoin is hovering towards buy zone. It just declined right now. It's 8:36 a.m. Eastern, going towards buy zone. 1.59% decline after reaching 106K, and now going towards 104K. This is good opportunity. 104, 103, 400, 102, 700. This is the area you should be looking to go long. This is only for day trading. Ethereum, similar chart. You can see after reaching 25, let's say 2600, now going towards 2400, 2450, and look to buy below that around 24 and then 2361. This is the area you should be looking to go long as well. In terms of futures, S&P 500, little red right now, down 0.3%, and going towards this neutral zone. And this was after a massive move of 1.71% yesterday, now consolidating and going towards neutral zone. Nasdaq futures similar after a nice 2% move, going towards neutral line in the middle line. Dow Jones, very similar chart, and then Russell also. Actually, it's the strongest Russell looks like, now going towards neutral as well. So let's look at a longer term chart and see how things are going. Please hit the like button, guys. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate that. And in terms of point of control, we can see here, let me go to AutoZone. Right now we are developing a point of control on 59.66. A decline will take it to 59.31, 5900, and then 58.96, and then also there are 2 point of control here around 58.48 on S&P 500. On upside move from here, let's see where we can go for the top side. On the other side, if they want to bump, we are looking at here around 5900, 6008, and then a lot of point of control here around 6146. Okay, there's a lot of confluence of support, resistance here. And in terms of daily chart, this is S&P 500 cycle analysis. A gap is at the top here, 5131.91, and then a massive gap at the bottom here, around 5670. We did get a 7-count sell signal yesterday. Last time we got sell signal, next day we had a gap down, and let's see how this signal works. So here we got 7, 8, 9 counts, and then it declined later on. Here we got 7, 8, 9, decline, 7, 8, 9, decline, 7, 8, 9. So it's pretty strong signal actually. 7, 8, 9, little higher, and then a massive down move. So we gotta respect these signals and act accordingly. Okay. So respect these 7 counts. There could be a couple of more days chopping around. This is large market here. You can see today we're getting an 8-count sell signal. So respect these. So if you're in profit, I would say take profit and then sit on cash. If a decline will happen. It's not about if, it's about when actually. This big futures gap should be filled at some point. So make sure you have cash handy for this decline. And cycle is saying we could be coming in a declining phase. You can see this white circle could be coming in a declining phase from now until 5th of June. So keep that in mind. A lot will depend on NVDA earnings, which we'll talk. And Nasdaq, same thing, getting an 8-count sell signal right now as we are talking. You can see here NVDA chart, same thing, a gap here around 20,863, then a gap here around 20,990. Okay. So live market is showing the same thing, 8 counts decline. Dow Jones, however, is different. It's not showing any decline, mainly due to UNH. UNH is finally pumping. You can see here, up almost 2% again today. Recovered this gap down here when they announced a new CEO. Fully recovered that gap. Now going towards the second gap recovery, I think. So that's helping Dow Jones, the heavy-weighted stock in Dow Jones. This is also showing no counts, 8 or 7 or 9 count signal here. So that's also good. Consolidating below 200 EMA. Let's see when it's going to break out. Bitcoin here again, just flagging around here. Yesterday also a massive move down, then recovered by bulls, and again today just chopping around here, giving time for these moving averages to catch up, not breaking down, not going higher. So it's just killing time. Okay, there are two ways to kill time: either go down and then go high, or just keep consolidating here, just chopping around here, and then that helps moving averages to catch up. So that's what it's doing, and then probably it's going to break out to like 100 and let's see. So if you do a trend line here from bottom to top, so whenever that breakout happens, this flag happens, it's probably going to go to 114K. All right. That's the upside target on Bitcoin. And in terms of gaps, if it does break down, look to buy around 97,200. Then next one is around 91,500. Ethereum, similar story, just flagging below this blue line 200 SMA. And this is futures, Ethereum futures. If Bitcoin falls, this can really fall around 1700. So keep that in mind. In terms of tech stocks, NVDA again consolidating, not able to close above this 135 resistance. You can see here, this was here, came here down one time, two time down, three time down, and then fourth time it went higher. All right. So this is a massive resistance. It looks like it's not easy for it to break above that, but that's how it is. We'll see when and if maybe earnings will help it break. What else is here? Tesla up 1%, also getting a 7 count sell signal yesterday. So keep that in mind. All these big stocks are getting Apple in the middle of gaps, gap around 109, 119, gap around 212. So we'll see which one they fill first. Netflix, just a monster, just keeps going higher and higher. Facebook also looks like it wants to recover, fill some of these gaps to the upside. Google also had a nice recovery yesterday, multiple gaps still to be filled. Amazon was flat yesterday. Let's see if it can break out. Microsoft also new all-time high. This high was 2024, and now we're going towards making a new high. CrowdStrike looking good. ServiceNow was red, not sure why, but again, couple of gaps here. Earnings gap is here, so it could probably go fill that gap. So ServiceNow from here to the earnings gap is around 12%. AVGO had a nice recovery yesterday, almost up 1%. Could go to fill this gap around 243. So keep your eyes open. In terms of commodities, US oil just consolidating in front of this massive resistance, not able to break it. So let's wait and see when they can break it. Also, this red and yellow lines are putting pressure as well. Natural gas bouncing from 200 moving average. Gold is also holding for now, but I think eventually it's going to break down and go towards 2700. Silver looking better than gold today, just consolidating. Copper also consolidating. Sugar in the buy zone, nice area to buy for long-term hold. Wheat is finally above this trend line. You can see every time it breaks below that, it recovers. So today also recovered. Corn also bouncing from 200 moving average. Dollar also, let's see if it can bounce. This is a support area. I think I expect dollar to bounce here. Other than these, tech stocks are just consolidating. Looks like they want a pullback because they were all overbought. Looks like they're looking for some kind of a pullback. This is Shopify. Nice moves are done. Maybe a pullback is not bad. Home Depot had earnings, looking good, trying to break over 200 moving average. We'll see if it can do that. MicroStrategy trying towards new all-time high. Nice recovery here as well. All recovered UNH. C&Q oil miner, biggest Canadian oil miner. Let's see, fill this gap. Couple of days ago created, you can see this gap is filled. Now another gap is around 28, and also these top gaps are here around 31.49 and then 32. Let's see which way it wants to go. Wait and watch. And bridge also just chopping around here. And I think that's about it. Let's see VIX. VIX is also getting a 9 counts buy signal. So every time it gets 9 counts, massive bounces happens. Here had a couple of days of bounce, then come back. So it does have a couple of days of bounce after 7, 8, 9. We'll see how big the bounce would be. If this bounce is done or we're going way higher to touch some of these yellow lines, we'll wait and watch. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any particular stocks you want me to review, put a comment. And if you like the content, hit the like button and join my Discord channel, link in the description. Have a good one. Bye.